This video is about the manufacture of a hive stand to support a pallet that holds 8 Tegart Styrofoam Nuc boxes. The hive stand is 5 inches smaller than the pallet to allow for a toe space, so the beekeeper isn't kicking the legs of the hive stand as they're working. And we start pallet stand assembly by securing the top rail to each of the 4 legs. And after the legs and top rails are assembled, we add gussets and a sheet of plywood on top for stability. And after the top board is put on, the final touch is to give them a coat of paint on the top, and they stack really nicely. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more. Look forward to our hive cover manufacturing video coming up. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about bees, here are a few ways Honeybee Center can help. First, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more beekeeping tips and tricks delivered straight to your inbox. Interested in our education programs and products? Check out honeybeecenter.com to learn more. For beekeeping updates and a behind-the-scenes look, you have lots of options to follow us on social media. You can find us at Honeybee Center Kids on Instagram, as well as at Honeybee Center on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.